Good evening, students. Let us quickly recall the definition of an AVL tree. An AVL tree is one of the self-balanced binary search tree. So the definition of an AVL tree, it is a binary search tree whose balance factor is either 0, -1, 1. Okay. Initially, let us consider a tree is balanced. Unbalanced occur due to insertion and deletion in a BST. BST stands for binary search tree. So when an unbalanced can occur, whenever you try to insert a new node or whenever we try to delete a node from an AVL tree, then the tree become unbalanced. Then our task or the tree has to make itself balance with the help of a balance factor. Okay. In order to make the tree balanced, the authors have proposed the rotations. Okay, that is also called as AVL rotation. In order to balance a tree, an elegant method was proposed, which is also known as AVL rotation. There are cases. Okay, there are 4 cases totally. Now let us discuss the case 1. Case 1, here it is explained in the left side diagram. Now let us consider the whole tree is an AVL tree. The meaning of an AVL tree, it is actually balanced, whose balance factor of every node is either 0, -1, 1. Now let us consider the case. Case says that whenever you try to insert a new node, now this is a new node that I have given in the black color sketch. Whenever we try to insert a new node in this direction, the direction says that left to left of an AVL tree. Because of a new node insertion, the balance factor may affect on this path. Now, in order to make this tree balance, what we have to do is that, so now let me draw that balanced tree. So now this is an unbalanced. Because of inserting a new node, an unbalance can occur. This is unbalanced after inserting this new node. Okay, after inserting a new node. So in that situations, how do we make this AVL tree as a balance? That's what we are going to do. Okay, now what we have to do, if this is the case, case 1 says that insertion happens to left of an AVL tree. Okay, then we have to rotate this tree in the right direction. Okay, we have to apply only one rotation, that is also called a single rotation. Rotate this tree in the right direction. As a result, what we get is that this A will come as the root. Okay, note down this is a subtree. Okay, not necessarily a root, but let us consider that this A will come to this position. Let me take this as of now as root, and P will come to the right of A. Why? Because P is larger than A. Now all PR stands for the subtree of P. Okay, all PR no change because all PR subtree is greater than P. So now we can insert this subtree PR to the right side of P, and now note down left subtree of A remains as such. So let us insert AL here. So there is no change in AL and then PR because AL is less than A. So it has come in the left side of A, and then since PR is greater than P, we have moved safely all subtree of PR to the right hand side. Now what is left? AR. Okay, now you note down AR is where we should insert. Okay, AR is right side of A but less than P. So we can simply move AR to the left of this node, which is AR. Why? Because in this case AR is right side, means all this subtree is larger than A. less than P. Okay, now you see this AR maintains the same property. AR is larger than A but less than P. So now we maintain, I mean after rotating this tree, we maintain the tree balance by calculating the balance factor. What is the formula for taking the balance factor? Take the height of left subtree and take the height of right subtree and make that it is less than or equal to 1. Okay, we try to make for every node in the BST or AVL tree. Okay, the balance factor lies the balance factor is 0, -1 and 1. Okay, this is the case. Now let us take an example and then discuss.